Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The Best Cook in a Book series is probably one of the most innovative and exciting ways to explore the culinary world right from your kitchen, offering a unique blend of practical cooking instruction and engaging storytelling that transforms everyday meals into extraordinary experiences, making it an indispensable tool for aspiring chefs and seasoned home cooks alike. Number 5. Stir Crack Whisk Bake, Interactive Baking Board Book. Welcome to the exciting world of baking. This interactive book is perfect for little hands eager to explore. With sturdy pages and engaging activities, your child can actively participate in the baking process. It's a delightful way to learn and play. Discover the fundamental steps of baking in a fun and accessible way. It introduces simple concepts that are easy for toddlers and kids to grasp. Designed specifically for young children, this book makes baking an enjoyable adventure. It's a fantastic introduction to the kitchen. Looking for a fun and educational gift? This interactive board book is a wonderful choice for birthdays or holidays, providing hours of entertainment. Brought to you by the trusted experts at America's Test Kitchen Kids, you can be sure this book offers quality and engaging content for your child. What we like? This interactive board book makes baking accessible for the youngest chefs. With hands-on elements, it's perfect for toddlers and kids eager to get their hands messy. If you're looking for a fun, educational activity to do with your little ones that introduces basic baking concepts, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This is a great cookbook for beginners. It has clear instructions and helpful tips. The recipes are easy to follow and the pictures are beautiful. I love that the book is spiral bound, so it lays flat on the counter. Number 4. Pancakes, an interactive recipe book. Get ready to flip out with joy. This interactive book makes learning to cook pancakes a delightful adventure for everyone. Transform your kitchen into a culinary playground. With engaging activities, you'll master the art of pancake making in no time. Follow along with easy, visual instructions. Each page is designed to guide you from batter to beautiful, golden brown pancakes. It's an experience. Discover the magic of cooking with this hands-on guide that brings recipes to life. Impress your friends and family with perfectly fluffy pancakes. This interactive book ensures delicious results with every try. Embark on a fun and tasty journey. This is the ultimate way to create memorable meals and master your favorite breakfast treat. What we like? Get ready for breakfast fun with this interactive recipe book focused on pancakes. It brings the joy of cooking to life with engaging activities. If you have kids who love pancakes and enjoy hands-on learning, this book will make mealtime an adventure. What people say. This is a great series for beginner cooks. The recipes are easy to follow and the instructions are clear. The books are well written and the illustrations are beautiful. They make cooking fun and accessible. I love the variety of recipes in this series. There's something for everyone, from quick weeknight meals to more elaborate dishes. Number 3. Spaghetti, an interactive recipe book. Unleash your inner chef with Spaghetti, the interactive recipe book. It's a fun and engaging way to learn how to make delicious spaghetti dishes. This unique cook in a book format brings recipes to life. You'll be guided step by step through the cooking process, making it easy for anyone to follow. Experience interactive learning like never before. Each page is designed to be engaging, helping you master the art of spaghetti making. Get ready to impress your friends and family with restaurant-quality spaghetti. You'll achieve delicious results every time you cook. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this book is perfect for you. It simplifies complex techniques, making cooking enjoyable and accessible. Embark on a culinary adventure with spaghetti. Discover new flavors and techniques that will elevate your home cooking. What we like? Explore the world of spaghetti with this interactive recipe book. It guides young chefs through the process in a fun, engaging way. If your family loves Italian food and you want to involve children in preparing a favorite meal, this is the perfect way to do it. What people say. The book is a great resource for learning new recipes. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The book features beautiful photography that makes the dishes look appealing. Number 2. The Girl Who Never Made Mistakes. Discover the empowering story of a girl who learns that making mistakes is a vital part of growing. This book encourages children to build confidence and resilience. Follow her journey as she navigates the challenges of perfectionism and learns to value herself, mistakes and all. It's a wonderful tool for fostering a positive self-image. This delightful book introduces the concept of a growth mindset in a way that kids can easily understand. It teaches them that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Learn how to celebrate effort and progress, rather than just focusing on the outcome. It's a valuable lesson for children aiming for personal growth. See how embracing challenges and learning from setbacks can lead to greater self-esteem. This story is perfect for helping kids feel more secure and capable. If your child struggles with the fear of making mistakes, this book offers a gentle and effective approach. It helps them understand that perfection isn't the goal, but growth is. What we like. This story is all about embracing imperfections and learning from mistakes. It's designed to help children develop a positive outlook on challenges. If you want to teach your child about resilience and self-acceptance in a gentle, encouraging way, this book is an excellent resource. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and the instructions are very clear. The book is well organized and the pictures are beautiful. I love that the book includes a variety of recipes from different cuisines. Number 1. Washy, First Words and Colors Board Book. Welcome to Washy, a delightful board book designed for little learners. It's the perfect introduction to first words and vibrant colors. This engaging book helps your child discover essential first words. Each page is filled with clear, simple vocabulary to expand their understanding. Journey through a rainbow of colors with Wishy. It's a fun and interactive way for young minds to learn color recognition. Specially crafted for growing minds, this book supports early cognitive development. It encourages curiosity and a love for learning. Washy is part of the cherished Tabitha Page children's book series. Add this wonderful title to your collection today. What we like. Introduce your little one to the basics with this vibrant board book. It combines essential first words with colors through interactive elements. If you are looking for a stimulating and tactile way to boost your baby or toddler's vocabulary and color recognition, this is an ideal pick. What people say. The Cook in a Book series is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, offering a unique and engaging way to learn new recipes. The books are beautifully illustrated and the instructions are clear and easy to follow, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. I love the compact size of these books, which makes them easy to store and access. The spiral binding is also a great feature, allowing the books to lay flat while cooking, which is incredibly convenient. The variety of recipes included in the Cook in a Book series is impressive. From quick weeknight meals to more elaborate dishes, there's something for everyone. The recipes are well tested and consistently produce delicious results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.